Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate zucchini cupcakes. It's a great way to use up leftover zucchini. Speaking of zucchini, if you haven't seen my zucchini pancakes video, be sure to check that out. Anyway, let's make these cupcakes. You'll need some all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt to begin with. You'll also need some chocolate chips and grated zucchini. I didn't realize I wasn't filming that piece, so there's no footage here. Sorry. Give everything a good mix before adding in some oil. And then question why the batter is so thick and remember to add in some eggs. Also switch to a whisk at this point. Excuse my daughter, she gets excited by food. Next, line some cupcake tins and scoop in the batter. This mixture makes a lot of cupcakes, or 2 9-inch cakes. I decided to make a loaf bread with the rest of this. And there you have it, my chocolate zucchini cupcakes. For this written recipe and more, head over to my blog. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.